Agriculture plays a vital role in Tajikistan, both in the country's society and economically. It employs more than half the population. Whole families work together in the fields, producing cotton, fruit, wheat and other crops. To promote structural change and support sustainable farming, the EBRD has provided a credit line to local banks and to microfinance institutions. These lend money to farmers for seasonal finance. The programme is known as the Tajik Agricultural Finance Framework, or simply TAFF, and aims to support small private farms.
The first phase of TAFF was basically a financial program through which EBRD was providing on lending to partner financial institutions, mainly to agro-invest bank, so that these banks provide credit to small and medium farmers, in particular in the cotton sector, which was until then dominated by vested interest and very bad practices vis-à-vis the farmers. The second dimension of TAFF has been technical assistance given to the banks so that they develop their portfolio in good conditions.
Donor financing has been provided through grants from the United States, Luxembourg, the EU and the EBRD's Early Transition Countries Fund. As well as helping partner banks develop effective agricultural lending programs, TAFF also addresses strategic issues in the agricultural sector. Key areas here are promoting sustainable farming and enlarging the number of potential TAFF food clients. Farmers are advised on areas such as irrigation techniques, which pesticides to avoid and how to diversify their crops. In addition, the programme fosters change through innovative finance mechanisms. For example, in Yavan, TAFF involved Swiss company Ecom as a dependable buyer to help farmers sell their products.
Farmers here have suffered from, let's say, unfair practices for a very long time. The so-called futurists were traders who were basically pre-financing the farmers in kind and overcharging the inputs, the seeds, the fertilizer, the diesel. So we've come here to change this. TAFF finances the farm on one side, Ecom buys the production straight away, and we pay cash against delivery, which usually was never done. The farmers would deliver and no payment would ever be made. So what we've done, we've rented a gin here in Yavan. We've bought the production of farmers this year in the form of seed cotton. So they just have to come to the factory, bring their cotton in a little trailer, and they get paid cash in the agro-invest bank branch of Yavan.
The Amirali farm in Yavan, which produces cotton, is one of the companies that has benefited from the programme.
It used to be very difficult for us to give cotton to the processing plant because the price was very bad. We are therefore very thankful to TAFF and Ecom for their cooperation with us. They also provide us with training. They don't only lend us money, but also advise on how to conduct our work, for example, what fertilizer, what seeds and techniques to use. I am very thankful for that and hope to continue working with them in the future.